Yes, sir. We'll deliver. Back out here again. As y'all see, we got an empty load. It's your boy Entrepreneur Tatman. Y'all know what it's about. We out here finna get it.
My production is my production is my production is
Your boy back with another big move, doing big things. Thank y'all for keeping in touch with me, checking out my videos. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification button so you can check out all my videos that I sent out. But we're doing some things today. We're actually about to load up and get 5 cars and get ready for this trip for tomorrow. So therefore, y'all seen how empty the truck is now, and we're gonna take it to a whole nother level. We out here networking with other truck drivers and seeing how they day going and checking out this weather. And actually right now we at the spot where we picking up the cars, so y'all will see footage of us walking through this place. It's big as all outdoors, nothing but vehicles here, and we're gonna keep it moving, you know what I'm saying?